Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Ever since my husband started using this lotion, his face has been so much more smooth and clear. I really love this brand in general, but the lotion is really good. It is super thick, as you can see, and once he washes his face, he puts this on to make sure that it's moisturized. As you can see, his beard can get a little bit dry, but putting the lotion on makes it look so much better. It has a nice shine, and then he puts it under his eyes and around his face. You can really see that glow. This lotion works so good, and it leaves his skin feeling so moist. I never knew how much work goes into a beard until my husband started growing one, but this lotion has definitely helped with that process. So if your skin is rough, if it needs a little shine, if you're growing a beard, even if you don't have a beard, even for your mustache, I would also suggest this for women. I don't think that it's just for men. It smells really good. I would definitely highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.